IISCA app allows you to do the functional analysis in according to PFA model. Today we got a news for you. You can edit your data, deleting or editing the wrong information that you have entered. From now, you finally got SBT app. You can organize your plan directly from your smartphone. Choose the topography to teach and check through visual data. Firstly, choose your plane and write the topography in the apposite text area and choose your criterion. After that, you can start. Achieve the criterion and check the trend through the graph in every moment, everything in detailed way. Now, you can collect the data on each single branch starting from Cab 4, and display the data of the various branches on the graph. Plus, you can share your patients with IISCA.